Hey, I want to show you guys my new wall-mounted shelf here. This is really unique. It's cool. It folds in two different directions, so when it's out, it's nice. It can hold up to 11 pounds. But when it's folded back, you can put your own art on the back or paint on the back and have art while you're not using it. So it's kind of cool. Modular. You can use it in any room. I'm going to take it out here and show you everything inside. Let's go. So here everything is out of the box. The shelf itself is really amazing looking. Beautiful aluminum craftsmanship. 9 by 11. The hinge is really excellent. It's 0.2 inches thick, so really going to be easy to install too. It just has 2 screw holes here. You want to make sure you find the studs in the wall and go for it. They have the anchors and all the hardware you need here in the bag to install it. And this is really cool. I didn't know it came with this. It's a big magnetic sticker, so we'll peel this off and stick it to the back. And you'll have the option of sticking magnets to this while it's in its folded up state, so that's really unique and cool. I am going to install this on the wall, and I'll show you what it looks like installed. So when we go to install this, we're going to first want to take out these Allen screws in the corner. Once we do that, it exposes the real screw hole that you'll screw into your stud. So when you're finally all done screwing those in, this cap's on top and it hides your screw holes, and those go in. So it makes it more of a secure shelf too. No one can take it off whenever they want to. They have to really take some time and take these off first. So let's install it. Just gonna screw this bar on first. There we go. Now to put the shelf on is just those 2 Allen screws on the corners again. Really easy. They're short screws, so they just go in really simple. Alright, just put the last screw in here. There we go, tighten it up really tight, and that's it. Just like that, the shelf is installed. It's really sturdy, feels great. It holds up to 11 pounds, so you really fit anything up there, like a router or an Xbox, DVD player, Blu-ray player up high if you wanted to. It folds beautifully. Those hinges work excellent. I'm loving this shelf. So I've seen a lot of pictures of people using multiple of these shelves next to each other in a big array, and then doing art on the back, which is really cool. And then you kind of fold the art pieces up and down, the ones you want to see, and use the other ones for usable space. So really excellent. I'll show you a few things I'll put a few things up here to show you what it looks like. So here it is. I just put my laptop on here to give you an idea of something like you can put on here. It really works great. Really sturdy. You know, you can type up here and we're going to move around. Has a really good sturdy factor to it. Love that how easy it was to install. The mount was easy. So if you were going to put a bunch of these up, maybe just a few screws each and you'll be on your way. So if you're looking for a really great shelf, I recommend this one from KAVACH. I found this one on Amazon and it was a great find.